Hello there, Dan the Weatherman here. Hey, welcome to my weather show. There's a lot going on. This week things do quieten down, but of course we've had some pretty severe weather recently. I've done a bit of an explainer in my global weather show. Take a look at that on the recent tornadoes we've seen in Auckland and of course the heavy persistent rain. Having worked in Tornado Alley in the States, our tornadoes in New Zealand are quite different, so I can give you a bit of a comparison. Take a look at that when you have a chance. Let's get into the week. Weather-wise, we have, of course, another cut-off low. When I talk about cut-off lows, you see this low, you see the curl of cloud, the yellow is the cloud. See the streamlines? That means the low is sitting there, it's not moving. This will eventually clear away through the first part of the week, but it's the cut-off, the circle, meaning the low doesn't move. The blue is energy to squeeze out the moisture in the cloud. The red is quieter, chilled out weather with the ridge. Now watch how this pushes that away as you run through Tuesday and Wednesday. So that's the cut-off low. It opens up, it goes away. Southwest flow, the weather quietens down. Tuesday, Wednesday. That's a ridge. That means it's a quieter second half of the week. Then notice how more blue comes in. Oh gosh. That's the end of the week. But it's a northwest flow, that's a milder direction. And by this time next week, we're looking at another system with strong to severe gales and of course some rain to spread in. So that's the cut-off low. Pipeline of rain there. We've had it into the east. We've seen the flooding to parts of Gisborne. That, of course, heads up for that heavy, significant rain northeast to the South Island, Kaikoura, and strong to severe gales with that. Notice the squeeze in the isobars. That spins away. Southerly flow spreads over the country. Winds do ease through Tuesday, Wednesday. Snow level 1,000 meters on that blue line. That's a colder southwest flow. The ridge builds across. Then we're back into the northwesterly. And then a new system going into next weekend to get us through. So it's kind of up and down. Yeah, hang on to your hats as far as it goes. Rainfall-wise, a lot to the east. Purple is over 100 millimeters. Gisborne, Kaikoura. And then for the second half of the week with the northwesterly, that's rain piling in there. Some places not as much. Of course, we don't need it there for parts of Canterbury. It's a real mess of a week, but at least it is quieter for a lot of us as you run through the middle part of the week. Monday. Heavy persistent rain, strong to severe gales, northeast of the South Island, right the way to the east of the North Island. Further south it is quiet, fine, frosty. Going to Tuesday, that pushes away. That's your snow level of 1,000 meters, a flick of a few showers just to coastal areas. By the way, for the ski fields down south, pretty good for making snow, but not really much coming out of it. That by Wednesday flicks away, still some showers. Winds are easing back slowly, but it is a cooler feel. Many of us seeing temperatures through the week. If you're getting to 10 degrees down south, further north, probably 15, 16, you've done well. Frost to the interior down south too, with that high settling in. Thursday, northwest flow. See how the blue line, the 1,000 meter line, goes back down? That then brings the strengthening wind. Rain into the west for Thursday. Further north and east for the North Island, dry, quiet. Friday, a similar sort of thing. Rain starts to spread into the west coast, more persistent. That will then set itself up to make what will be a wet and a windy next weekend as a zone of rain spreads across. Northwest flow, watch for strong to severe gales for some of the ridge tops. That snow level there is much, much higher. So it is going to be one of those up and down weeks, even with the temperatures. We start off with the temperatures close to normal, some blue, some orange. Orange is above normal, blue is below normal. Notice how it changes. Easterly flow, that's the southwest surge. See the blue? Then, going into the second half of the week, northwesterly, we go orange, meaning warmer than normal. Some places could be some upper teens to the east, still could be those frosts, but heads up, end of the month, going to early July. That's a colder surge after that northwester. Something. So it'll be a roller coaster ride, of course. Temperature-wise, that's how it's looking now. See you guys soon. Bye-bye.